Hello, today we will learn how to import a demo content of Velvet Jewelry Store WooCommerce theme. For this, firstly go to the appearance of your dashboard, then theme, to add new theme. Click on upload theme, and for the choosing file, find the exact zip file of it. Now click on install now. After installing, click on activate, and then you will get a bunch of list of required plugins to begin installing. Click on it. Select all the plugins to install and then apply. While done, click on Return to Required Plugin Installer and again select all the plugins to activate. Click on Apply. Now return to the dashboard, then Appearance, Import Demo Data. This is the interface of it. You will get auto import and manual import. According to this, you will get several home pages of it. Click any one on it. Click any one to continue and import. After completing, click on Visit Site and then go to the site to view the appearance. Velvet is a stunning WooCommerce theme that is specially designed for jewelry, diamond shops, gemstones business, and more. With this elegant design, seamless functionality, and tailored features, Velvet is the perfect choice to showcase your products. Whether you sell fine jewelry, gemstones, or luxury accessories, Velvet has everything you need to shine. Its stunning features will amaze you. You will get 6 shop and product layouts, Ajax filter, wishlist, quick view compare, drag and drop header footer builder, one-click demo import, RTL and WPML supported, and free lifetime updates. So without further ado, launch your dream online store today with Velvet. Thank you for staying with us.